everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter probability, and the lessons we're going to cover today are permutations, permutations and combination notation, and geometric probability. Okay, here I am on grade 10 math. The chapter we're working on is probability. Let's just start with the lesson that is permutations. Okay, there are 4 projects that made it to the final round of the science competition. In how many different orders can the judges rank these projects? Okay, so there are 4 projects, right? That means these projects can rank, the judges can rank the project in 4 factorial different orders, right? You have to calculate 4 factorial. The 4 factorial is 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. The correct option is 24. That means there are total 24 different ways in which they can order the, you can see here is the 24 combinations, right? That means they can rank the projects in 24 different orders. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, May, Spencer, Sharon, Patrick, Mark, and Rachel found seats in a row at the movie theater. In how many different orders can they sit? Okay, how many there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? That means you need to calculate 6 factorial, right? They have 6 factorial orders they can sit. So you have to do 6 times, 5 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1. 4 I forgot. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20, 20 times 3 is 60, 60 times 2 is 120, and 120 times 6 is 720. That means they can sit in 720 different orders, right? The correct option is 720. An amusement park is unveiling 5 brand new rides. In how many different orders can the new rides be unveiled? So, which is the correct option? So, you have 5 brand new rides, right? You have to calculate 5 factorial. So, 5 factorial equals, yes, the correct option is 120. That means there are 120 different orders to unveil the rides, right? The correct option is 120. Lisa only has three pieces of Halloween candy left. In how many different orders can she eat the remaining candy? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 factorial, right? 3 factorial equals 3 times 2 times 1. The correct option is 6. That means she can eat the candy in 6 different orders. The correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is during a workout, the swim team at Greenpoint High School will be practicing swim strokes one after another. According to the coach instruction, the team will complete a set number of laps using a combination of butterfly, the breaststroke, freestyle, and the backstroke. In how many different orders could they practice the different strokes? So, which is the correct option? They have the combination of four different types, right? So, the correct option, the orders are, yes, they are 4 factorial. The correct option is 24 different orders. They can practice in 24 different orders. The correct option is 24. Okay, the next one is Khalid is excited about the school picnic. He wants to sign up for the three-legged race, the splash tag game, the stack race, the human knot challenge, the egg and spoon race, and the wheelbarrow race. If he has to rank these activities in order of preferences, in how many different orders could he rank them? So that is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? The correct option. That means you have to order them in 6 factorial, right? So 6 factorial equals, the correct option is 720. That means we can rank in 720 different orders. The correct option is 720. Vicky makes a smoothie for breakfast every morning. Today, she wants to use 5 different fruits. In how many different orders can she add these fruits to her blender? So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 120 different orders she can put fruit into. The correct option is 120. Okay, the next one is there are 4 projects that made it to the final round of the science competition. In how many different orders can the judges rank these projects? So, which is the correct option? Yes, very good. They can be ordered in 24 different. They can be ranked in 24 different orders. The correct option is 24. Amir, Mabel, and Dina attend a red carpet event. If they each pose for the cameras separately, in how many different orders can they have their pictures taken. So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is six different orders. They can take pictures in six different orders. The correct option is six. Our florist is working on a wedding bouquet that uses daffodils, violets, lilies, and morning glories. In how many different orders can the previous types of flowers be added to the bouquet? So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is yes, 24 different orders. The correct option is 24. The top three different the top three students have made it to the final round of judging in the school science fair competition. In how many different orders can the judge rank their posters? So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is six different orders, right? The correct option is six. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is permutations and combination notation. Okay, so whenever we have to evaluate the permutations, okay, hold on, let me just write down the formulas for the permutations and combinations, right? Okay, so in the combinations, order does not matter, right? When order does not matter, it is combination. And when the orders does matter, it is permutation. So that means in permutations, order does matter, while in combinations, order does not matter, right? So when we have to evaluate the permutations, when we have to evaluate permutations, right, we can write it as n p r. P is for permutation, right? You can do n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. That is the permutations, right? And when we have to evaluate the combinations, we can do n c r. C is for the combination, and that would be n c r. That is n factorial divided by n s r factorial and r factorial. That is that this one we use for the combinations, right? Okay, now let's just start with the practice questions. So you have to evaluate 4p3. That means you have to evaluate the permutations 4p3. So that is n factorial. N is 4. 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 3 factorial, right? So 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and 4 minus 3 is 1 factorial. 1 and 1 cancel out. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 4 is 24. So the correct option is 24, right? The correct option is 24. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, you have to evaluate the combination 4C2. So when you have to evaluate the combinations, you can do NCR, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial and r factorial. N is 4 and r is 2, right? 4 factorial, 4 minus 2 factorial divide and 2 factorial. So that would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. You have 4 minus 2 is 2. That is 2 times 1. 2 factorial is also 2 times 1. So 2 times 1, 2 times 1 cancel out. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So that means 2 times is 6. So the correct option is 6, right? 4C2 equals 6. The correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is 3p2, right? You have to evaluate permutations. NPR, that would be n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So that is 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 2 factorial. So the correct option is 6, right? The correct option is 6. Okay, you have to evaluate 7p2, right? So that would be 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 2 factorial and 2 factorial, right? So that would be 7 times, 5 times, 6 times, 4 factorial, right? 7 minus 2 is 5 factorial. Hold on, let me just do it. Okay, that is 7 factorial, 7 minus 2 factorial, and 2 factorial. So 7 times, 6 times, 5 factorial, right? And no, we have we, are, g- we have to evaluate the combination. That would be 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 2 factorial. So that would be 7 times 6 times 5 factorial divided by 7 minus 5 factorial. 5 factorial cancel out, and you are left with 7 times 6, that is 42. The correct option is 42. Okay, let's just move on to next one. Okay, 5C2. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 10. Very good. Okay, the next one is 6p2, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 30. Very good. Okay, the next one is 4p2, which is the correct option. The correct option is yes, it is 12. Very good. Okay, the next one is 5c2, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 10. Very good. 3c2, which is the correct option. The correct option is 3. Okay, the next one is 4p3, which is the correct option. The correct option is 24. It is yes. The correct option is 24. 7p2, which is the correct option. The correct option is yes, that is 42. Right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson, that is geometric probability, I think. Yes, let's just start with the lesson, that is geometric probability. Okay, the point JL is chosen at random. What is the probability that it is also on KL? Okay, so basically you have to look at the line segment to find KL and GL, right? KL is completely contained in GL because KL is the part of GL, right? So the length of KL is 2 minus 4 because the length of the GL is 4. So the length of KL is 2 minus 4. So divide the KL by GL to find the probability that a point chosen at random on GL is also on KL. So that would be the probability. The probability is KL divided by JL, that equals 2 divided by 4, which is 1 over 2, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, a point on FM is chosen at random. What is the probability it is also on HI, right? Okay, FM is chosen on random, right? So the length of HI is 2, right? 6 minus 4, that is 2. So you have to do length of HI divided by FM. So the HI is 2 and FM is 14. So it is 2 over 14. Then the probability is 1 over 7. The correct option is 1 over 7, right? A point on the line segment is chosen at random. What is the probability it is between 79 and 83, right? So between 79 and 83. Wait, hold on. 70, 83. That is 4 divided by 6, that is 2 over 3, because the length of the complete line is 6 and the length from 79 to 83 is 4, so it is 4 over 6, that means that is 2 over 3. The correct option is, the probability is 2 over 3, right? The correct option is 2 over 3. Okay, a point on the line segment is chosen at random. What is the probability? It is between 14 and 15, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 1 over 2. The probability is 1 over 2. Okay, the next one is a point on IM is chosen at random. What is the probability it is also on JM? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 over 4. Option 1 is the correct option. A point is on the line segment is chosen at random. What is the probability it is between 55 and 58? Yes, the correct option is 3 over 7. Option number 2 is the correct option. A point on a line segment is chosen at random. What is the probability that it is chosen between 74 and 77? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 3 over 4. Okay, a point on JL is chosen at random. What is the probability that it is also on KL? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 1 over 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, a point on Ln is chosen at random. What is the probability that is it is also on Lm, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 1 over 2. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 10 math. The chapter we were working on is probability. The lessons we have covered today are permutations, permutation and combination notations, and geometric probability, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any question related to the lesson we just did, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session.